Sunken in hot tubs might sound like an excellent idea, but what's often overlooked is what happens when you need service. This is no fault to the owner of this spa. He purchased the house with a hot tub installed like this, but I always use the analogy that sinking a hot tub into the floor or a deck with no access, it's like welding your car hood shut and just hoping you never need in there. As you can see with this spa, it's concreted in on all four sides with only a couple inches of wiggle room, so we're gonna have to get creative with this lift. What we're doing here is we're lifting the spa from the frame since we can't lift it from the bottom, and then we're placing blocks one by one underneath until we can fit our airbag in. This is a challenging task, and it could be quite dangerous without the proper equipment. Even without water, this tub weighs around 800 pounds, so this isn't something that you just want to try with a couple friends. The plumbing repair we need to do today, it's actually a very common issue with this particular brand, and it would typically only take about an hour with one of us on an above ground spa. So if you're considering getting a hot tub in the future, please think about access. Yes, the side with your circuit board is the most important, but ideally you want access to all four sides. This plumbing issue happened on the back of this tub, so even if they did have an access panel on their spa pack pump side, we would still need to lift out the hot tub. If you're planning a new install or dealing with something tricky like this, we're always happy to offer advice and help you think through the details before problems show up. The Hot Tub Man, Alberta's highest rated hot tub business for service and sales. Visit www.thehottubman.ca.